So hi everyone, today we will going to learn the nested flow, nothing but a subflow. In the what do you mean by subflow? So create the first parent flow, and parent flow, under parent flow we can create the child flow. So in the real time, when use the real time scenario, if you want to update when a record is created, if you want to update only single record, not in the multiple records, at that time our multiple options, this options subflow we can use on that. So subflow, so this remember these things you have to keep in mind. So while creating, receive the data from parent, the child flow needs a variable that's available for the input. And if you are sending the data, so back to the parent flow, the child flow finishes, the child flow needs a variable that's available for the output. Okay, so these two things you have to keep in mind while creating for the subflow. So this is the diagram having post to target ID, the parent, and this is the child, and the child for the output going to the again input for the parent flow. So this diagram you have to keep in mind while creating. So now without delaying, we are going to working on the challenge. Working the challenge in the sense trigger flow. So this is the options we are having here, the run flow. So we can start for the what is the challenge we are having. So prerequisite is for the completing for this challenge is first we have to complete for the unit 1. Unit 1 is having nothing but unit 1. So add generated product or named options. Named options. Named options having here 15,000 product, 2,000 product. We have created this one. So first to create the auto launch flow, then we'll come to the here and we can link with the this input and output options here. So now come to the challenge screen. So first create the auto launch flow. So go in the new flow, new flow. So very new flow here. So here new flow, this here. Now this is screen, and this is the auto launch flow. We have to click on the auto launch flow, create. So create the text variable, product, kilowatt, and checked input have to check variable, new resource variable, and API name is product kilowatt. Then data type is text, and this is available for the input should be enable. Available for the input should be enable. Next variable you can create opportunity IDs. Next variable create opportunity ID. and data type is text, and again available for the input. And now add get record element, label is get product. Now add get record element, label you can use the product, and object is product, name contains, object is product, object is product, all conditions are met, and name contains product name contains product kilowatt, and keep a default value as it is. Now get record element after the get product element. So get record product element, so get record, label is this one, and object is price book entry, object is price book entry, all conditions are met, field is price book to ID, price book to ID equals to the price book ID. So if this value not having, so we have to keep in the new values. Then add another condition, product to ID equals to product from product to ID, product to ID equals to product from get product, product from get product, and ID. Keep default value as it is. Now going to complete this one. Add record element, get PB element. After the get PB element, create opportunity product. Create opportunity, create records. To add, create records, label you can use. Then one, use separate, this is one, use separate this one. Then create object for the product, object is opportunity product, opportunity product. Then values, set field values, set field values, this one, opportunity ID, price book, opportunity ID, opportunity ID, price book entry from get PB, from PB ID, PB ID, quantity is equal to 1, quantity is equal to 1, total price price book entry, so total price price book entry from PB, price book entry PB dot unit price, price book unit price. Now unit price, save this flow, subflow, create generator opportunity product, done, save it. Okay, next is make new version of get generated product option, save as new version. Now add generated product, save as, first I have to deactivate, then save as new version, now delete the elements, create 1500, delete these elements, create 1500, create 1500, 2000, create, so this is the options, the toolbox, you can delete, and this one also you can delete. Okay, what is the next step? Get 1500 PB, get 2000, get 1500. This one also, get PB 2000, get PB 2000, 1500, get PB 15,000, get PB 2000, get 1500 product, get 1500 product and 2000 product. Okay, this is done. Now on the 1500 kilowatt path, add subflow element. Okay, reference to the subflow, create generator, add a subflow element on 1500 kilowatt. Okay, so subflow create generator, subflow create generator opportunity product. Subflow reference to the what subflow opportunity product. Reference flow, subflow, create generator, opportunity product, and 1500 subflow generator, opportunity product. No. So here now from here, so on 1500 kilowatt path I have the subflow element. So unless until first we have to save and activate of this the first one auto launch flow, then this opportunity product subflow make available for the here. Now reference is subflow and create the label is product. So subflow, this is the reference for the this generator opportunity product. Label is this one, and then include opportunity ID field, record ID, include reference of the subflow, open dispense flow, then product ID and product kilowatt, include, open the reference flow. So this is the open the reference flow. Now set input values. So set input values, descriptions, product, include opportunity field, opportunities field. So what? Record ID. Record ID, opportunity ID, record ID, then include price book ID, price book from price book ID, opportunity ID, price book ID and price book ID, product kilowatt ID. Price book don't have the price book option, so product kilowatt and product kilowatt, include product kilowatt field, enter 1500, product kilowatt, include the product kilowatt field 1500, and one options is not available, this one. So price book, get price book ID. So let me generator product, open reference flow, done it. Now come to the 2000 kilowatt subflow generator, create 2000 opportunity product, 2000 opportunity product, subflow product, label and opportunity ID, record ID, record ID, ID, record ID, record ID, and price not available. So product kilowatt 200, product kilowatt is 2000, and save. Then come to the this one in the check opportunity name decision element. So decision element level 1000 kilowatt and decision element, check decision element here, decision element, check opportunity name decision element, and a new outcome. So this is the new outcome. Decision element, this is a new outcome. This is a check opportunity name decision element. In the check opportunity name decision element, check opportunity name decision element. Add a new outcome. So our new outcome, what is the 1000 kilowatt? 1000 kilowatt. All conditional record name contains 1000 kilowatt. Record name contains 1000. Record elements in the 1000. Record elements contains value 1000. Then on 1000 kilowatt path, now done. In 1000 kilogram path, create 1000 product. Create 1000 product is the subflow opportunity product, level, and include record ID, opportunity ID, record ID, record ID, then record ID. This one somewhere I have missed, so this one include product kilowatt, include product kilowatt, field enter 1000, product include per kilowatt field. Now save and activate the flow. Done. So one thing's missing here, this one in the all the cases. So let me check. Save, activate. Okay, now this one again, check here, already activated, and this one, right? So now check the challenge if you are able to complete or not, because this option is missing. So let me check the challenge getting completed or not. So I can't find the variable named price book ID. Okay, so variable name price book ID we have missed here. Price book ID, variable name price book ID I have missed here. Okay, so price book ID, variable name price book ID. Here I missed the price book ID, variable name price book ID. This one I think I have missed. Add get records, get product element. Add get price book ID. Get PV. Add get records element after get product element. Get product element. API name price book to ID. Add another condition price book to ID equal to this one. I have date. Price book ID. Price book ID. Price book ID. This one. Get records element after get product element. Get product element. Get product element. Okay. Get record element after get product element. Get record. Get record and get record. Get PB is there. Condition, I think I missed the condition. Product to ID, price book ID, price book ID variables, opportunity, product, kilowatt, get price PB, already there. So in PBE, what get product here, get PB. I think we have missed the one condition. Field of price book ID, product ID, price book ID, all condition met, price book to ID. Price book to ID equal to price book ID. Price book ID. Second condition, price product to ID is there. Price book and product book, product to ID is there. So now I missed to add this price book variable, price book variable, price book ID variable. So I have added finally, and in the price book entry here you can add this one, price book here, this one in the 200, 2000, 1010, 1500 all have to add price book ID and get price book. kilowatt. Just have to add, yeah, this 1500 kilowatt under 1500 kilowatt subflow, edit price book ID enable. Now price book, get price book, price book, get price book ID. Done. Similarly we have to add here also price book ID for 2000, price book, get price book, price book ID, and this is the 1000 and 1000 to have to again price book ID, price book ID, and done. Okay, now save as new version. Now save as new version and activate, and then we can check the challenge. Replace it and just check it. So like that we have to debug accordingly. If you're finding any error, if you're missing while designing the, again what are the error we are getting, challenging, not yet complete, get PV element we can't find, filter check if price book to ID equal to price book ID and product ID equals get product ID. Challenge not yet complete. In the get PB element we can't find that, check if price book to ID equals to price book to ID. Okay, get element. So where is the get element? Get PB element, 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 get PV, get PV, API name, price book entry, get PV, all condition are met, price book records, price book entry, unmet condition are field price book to ID equals to price book equal to price book ID. It's there. Then product to ID equals to only to write product to ID, product get ID, product get ID, and only two condition. This is the products. What is the error? We can't find the filter. Check price book to ID equals to price book ID, and product to ID equals to get product ID. Is there? Object price book all condition at the condition price book ID equals to price book to ID, price book to ID, price book to ID equal to price book ID, and product to ID, and product to ID equals to product price book. अच्छा, price book ID and product to ID equals to product get product ID. Product get product ID. And what is the option here? Price book is equal to price book ID and product to ID equals to get product ID, product from get product ID, get equals to get product ID, get product ID, get product ID. Price book ID, product from get product, product from get product. add condition product to ID equals to get product ID, get product. Get no, this is not required. Done. Save as the new version. Activate, refresh. Now refresh it. Refresh it. Still not getting. Still getting same error. I've successfully completed this assessment. So thanks for watching. If you're having any doubts, so how to debug, so we can debug. Thank you.